Hi, I'm Dan Pollock, the homeowner, and it still hasn't hit me yet that this we're fortunate to have this done by Victor's Home Solutions.
So I originally came out here a couple months ago just to take a look at a repair they had going on. But after talking to these guys for about an hour, they also brought up that because of the status of their roof, insurance was going to drop them in 30 days. So they had to do something really, really quick. After climbing around their attic space, getting up onto the roof, there was a lot more going on that we had any idea about. So all their wood was moldy. They had mildew growing in their drywall, and you could just smell the mustiness inside their house. So it was a lot more than we expected.
Really stressed out about my roof. It was really bad. And Victor's Home Solution gave me a call and they showed up my house and they said they were going to put a roof on my house for free. And I just started crying. I was really happy.
After talking to them too, Danny, he's actually had a plumbing business before this, but he's had multiple cardiac issues happen over the last year, and so couldn't work. He's been in and out of hospital, so the amount of medical debt they have, there's just nothing that, like, affordability-wise they could do. But they had to do something. They were going to drop their insurance. So they reached out to multiple nonprofits, seeing if anyone could help them out, and no one would approve them because he's not old enough, which is crazy. So this is the right thing to do. So we gave them a free roof, taking care of redecking their whole house and their garage, just to make sure their whole family's taken care of for the rest of their life. After seeing about this give back that Victor started back in 2008, this is the best part about the job, helping those out in need. And so not only are we giving them a new roof, but they're set for the rest of their life. And